Hello and welcome to our new tutorial on how to make hookup wires from a Ethernet cable. The requirements of this project or tutorial are Ethernet cable. I made it of 4 inches, approximately 10 centimeters, a wire cutter, a knife, a small nose plier and a big plier. So let us keep it aside. Let us start. Just make a small slit in the Ethernet cable. Actually it contains 8 cables, so 8 small wires, so we can make 8 hookup wires from this. Now I'm going to slice it up. Yeah. Ouch. Let us check out. Yeah, there are 4 twisted pairs. This is the orange one, the green one, the brown and the blue. Let us take them out. We don't need this, so throw it out. And there is a insulation like of some fiber. We don't need that also. Here are 4 twisted pairs: green, brown, blue and orange. Let us take the green one and make hookup wire from this. Take the small pliers and disassemble and untwist them. I use the old trick of twisting them the opposite direction they are twisted. Actually we can make jumper wires from this cable. This is the green cable. Now I'm gonna make a slit over here and on the other end, about 5 mm apart from the ends. Yeah, I made the slit. It's here one and it's here. Actually I made by my teeth. Now let us take off that insulation, hold it from there and stretch it. So wow, it's a one end, and let's take the other end out. And yeah, it's our second end. You can see here these are the 2 ends. Let us straighten them with the pliers. Just press them in the 90-degree rotation every time, so they will get straightened. Now the awesome part. Let's stretch them up so they can be straightened. I'm gonna hold them. Yeah. Now stretch. Oops, I slipped it. Oh, I broke it. Made the another slit and took off the insulation. Let's try it once again. I think this time it's gonna work. Yeah, it worked. Look, it's our straight hookup wire or similar, and this is our original It is the white wire twisted to this green cable. Let us bend the ends about 8 mm from the end to 90°. Yeah. Now make the other end from, take the 8 mm. See, it's here 8 mm. I will make it parallel to the previous folded. Whoops, I bend it a lot. Gonna straight it by hands. Yeah, here I got a hookup wire. We can place it on a Arduino or a breadboard. Let us hook it up on a breadboard. Keep that aside. I'm gonna hook up it here. Yeah, it fits perfectly. Look, I have made old previously also. There are 4 small and 1 orange, 1 a large. There are some components. So it is a good idea to make hookup wire from an Ethernet cable because it provides 8 wires. Thank you and have a great day.